Okay, suppose that the body on the past lecture, okay, rises again for 1 inch, for example, 8 seconds with a negative constant acceleration. So our past lecture, the body rises for 1 inch for 6 seconds. So this is the profile that we made, this one. So now the body rises again for 1 inch for 8 seconds. Okay, so we will draw another vertical lines. So we copy this one. Okay, so we have 6, so we add 2 more because the time for the rise is 8 seconds. Now we add more 1 inch because the follower rises more for 1 inch. Okay, until this one, this is the starting point. Okay, so we add 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we are going to divide this line into 8. Okay, so we copy this one. Okay, then we copy here. We have to divide 1 inch is into 8. That is equal to 0.125 inch. Okay, so we move, copy 0.125, 0.25. Okay, so until we complete the 8 cyan line. Okay, okay, so we already complete the 8 cyan lines. 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8. So we already divide the 1 inch lines into 8. Now we connect the last line here, the top, to the lines here. There. Okay, and here. Okay. Okay. Actually, we don't need this one. Okay. Now we connect the intersection of the red and the green lines. So we choose blue, then we change the line weight for become more visible. Okay. So we connect this line to this line, intersection of the green and the red one, this line. Oh, what's next? Oh no, there is something wrong. We forgot this one. So we draw another line. Oops. This one. Okay, and from this line to this line, there, 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 and of course this one. Okay, so this is the profile of a body that is to rise with a negative constant acceleration. Okay, our next lecture will be on positive constant acceleration in which the body falls down. Okay, so thank you.